Hi guys, welcome to another little crafty tutorial with me, Laura, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make these cute little pom-pom hats, perfect little decorations. Okay, so for this tutorial we're going to need a strip of cardboard, quite flexible cardboard that's easy to bend, some yarn and a pair of scissors and some sellotape as well. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut down a piece of cardboard, and this is going to be the width of our brim, and it's going to wrap all the way around like so. Okay, so once you've measured that, we're going to take some sellotape and we are going to stick the ends together. Like so. Then we're going to cut some lengths of yarn about this long, and we're going to cut lots of these. Okay, and then once you've got a good amount of pieces of yarn, we're going to take one of these, move the others to the side, and what we're going to do is we are going to put the ends together like that, and we're going to take the loop end and we're going to feed that through the middle of our little brim. Then we're going to put our fingers through there, and we're going to grab both the ends, bring those through, and we're just going to pull tight. We want the little knot to be on the right hand side, and we're going to do that all the way around. So we're going to take another one of our short lengths, grab the ends, feed the loop through the middle, the same direction where your tail ends are. Put your fingers through, grab both the tail ends, bring those through, and make sure tail end sits the same side, and make sure they line up together. Okay, so repeat that all the way around your brim. Okay, so when you've done that, you should end up with something that's a bit like a little octopus, and make sure there's no cardboard showing at all, and then we're going to feed all these ends through the middle. So we're going to push all of these through to the other side. As neatly as you can, so they come out the other side. Okay, so you got something like that, and then we're going to take another short length of the same yarn, and we're going to tie a knot. Just lay that down and put that over the top, and then measure where you want the top of your hat to be, and that's where we're going to tie it. So about there. This is where you need another pair of hands. Pull that nice and tight, and hold that and do another knot on top. Try and do this on camera by myself. Let's see if I can do it. I think that's going to have to be as good as it gets, and then you can use those tail ends as part of the pom-pom. And then what we're going to do is we're going to trim down the excess to make a pom-pom. So I want to cut about that much off. I'm going to use all these scraps for stuffing. Nothing goes to waste, especially if it's acrylic. You don't want that ending up in the bin. And then we're going to trim down our little pom-pom and just make it a little shorter at the front than on the top. Just shape a little pom-pom. And there we go, there is our finished little pom-pom hat to go with our other pom-pom hat, and all we need now is a little character to wear it. And there we go, and if you want to find this tutorial, he's on my channel somewhere, my little Christmas elf. But I hope you enjoyed that tutorial, I hope you managed to follow along, hope it's something a little bit fun, different to try. I'll see you soon for some more crochet crafting fun. Thanks for watching, bye!